Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Kidnap. Kidnap means abduct someone and hold them captive. For example, militants kidnapped the daughter of a minister. Militants kidnapped the daughter of a minister. Synonyms: abduct, carry off, capture.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. When Winnie meets the Tuck brothers, Miles basically kidnaps her. Now, repeat after me. When Winnie meets the Tuck brothers, Miles basically kidnaps her. The second exemplar. He kidnaps Rebecca and tries to make her love him. Now, repeat after me. He kidnaps Rebecca and tries to make her love him. The third exemplar. When a mysterious winged villain kidnaps him, you are naturally concerned. Now, repeat after me. When a mysterious winged villain kidnaps him, you are naturally concerned.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The word alphabet comes from the first two letters of the Greek alphabet, alpha, beta.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.